I will show you how to preserve fresh plums for the winter. I'll wash them first. I will separate the plums from the stone. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I cleaned the plums and I need clean and wash jars. I will fill the jars with plums. Do not fill the jars to the top. I filled the jars, and I will grind the rest of the plums in a blender. I ground plums and I need the juice of 1 lemon. I add a tablespoon of lemon juice to each jar. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I will fill the jars with juice from ground plum. And this is how you fill all the jars. I'll wipe the top of the jar. Close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. And I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll hang up. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 30 minutes. I pasteurize at 80 degrees Celsius. I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water, and then store them in a cool, dark place until ready to use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.